traders, welcome back to the channel Dynastic Trading. So in this video I am going to show you how TradingView works and how you can use some of the TradingView tools to make your trading easy while you trade. So let's begin. So first of all you need to come on your Chrome browser and then you need to search TradingView. As soon as you search TradingView you can see such a preface and you need to click on the first link TradingView track all market. You just click. As soon as you click, a preface like this appears. Just you need to go to the left hand side and click on the three dots. Just you click on the three dots, click on the products and then charts. As soon as you click on the charts, charts appear. So as you can see, this is a Tesla's chart pattern, Tesla INC 15, and it is a 15 minutes chart pattern, and this is watch list. You can add or change or remove as per your wish. You can make your own watch list, and these are the some tools that we use while trading in TradingView, and you can also use that. This one is candle pattern, indicators, alert, replay, and this is showing Tesla's performance, how much point it is now. So this is the preface of the TradingView. Now let us talk about the tools of the TradingView that we can use while trading. So let's begin. The first and the most important tool that every trader should know and every trader should use actually is the trend line. So from the left hand side you can see over here a line is drawn and see a trend line. This is a trend line. You can use your keyboard to directly draw a trend line by pressing Alt plus T. Suppose I need to draw a trend line from here. I just click over here and I drag the another point, suppose over here. So a line has been drawn. So this is a trend line and you can move it in any direction as per your wish, up, down, rotate, here and there, anywhere. So now let me tell you the benefit of drawing a trend line. A trend line is drawn to identify the trend of the market. Basically it means that a traders identify the market is in uptrend or downtrend by drawing a trend line. So let me show you with an example. First let me delete it. So see, suppose over here, from here, let me choose trade line first. From here I will put one point over here and put another point over here. So basically it is showing an downtrend in the market. Now let me show you some uptrend also. So let me choose trade line and I will join this part and this part. So this one is indicating an uptrend in the market. This trend line help us to know in which trend the market is in. So now you can understand what is the use of the trend line and how it is used and how we can draw it. So let's move on to the next tool that we have in TradingView, that is horizontal line. You can use your keyboard to draw horizontal line directly by pressing Alt plus H. So now I will just click on horizontal line. I will click anywhere. As soon as I click, you can see a line has been drawn. So you can change its color also from here. So basically a horizontal line we draw to know the resistance and support level of the market. If we have found out and support and resistance in the market, we draw a trend horizontal line over there so that we could remember that at this point market took a support or at that point market took a resistance. So we draw a horizontal line. So let me show you with an example first, then you can understand clearly. Let me delete it first. So you can see over here at this point market took an resistance twice. So I will draw a horizontal line over here. So as you can see, market came up, but it could not break this resistance. Again, it went down. Again, market went up to the resistance, and again from there only the selling starts. So basically, 748.9 acted as an resistance for the market. So this is the resistance. I have drawn an horizontal line to understand where the resistance is, so I can remember. So let me move on to the next tool that we have. The next tool that we have is a rectangle. Basically, a rectangle we draw. Rectangle is nothing but an horizontal line. It acts as a horizontal line, same as its work is same as horizontal line, nothing else. Basically, we use rectangles in a sideway markets. When a market is moving in the same direction, from if market breaks rectangle from upside, it will be a bullish market. If it breaks from downside, it will be a bearish market. Now moving on to the next we have is short and long position. So you can see a long position over here. Basically, short and long position tells you about the risk and reward ratio of your trade. Basically, by default, it is 1 is to 1 risk is to reward ratio. You can change it according to your quantity and your trade. So if you suppose I have taken a trade over here, my reward will be up to here, my risk will be up to here, and I need to place my stop loss at the end of this line, somewhere here. And for short position, suppose I have shorted, then suppose I shorted over here, then my reward will be up to here, my risk will be up to here, and I need to put my stop loss over here. So let me show this in market. Wait, then only you can understand the chart. Suppose over here I have drawn a rectangle, and I saw that market break this rectangle and it went up, so I have one long position. So I took a trade over here. My reward will be up to here, up to this candle, and my risk will be up to here. So my risk is to reverse is 1 is to 1. So now let me show you the short position of the market. Suppose I took a short position over here, somewhere here. My risk is to reward will be 1 is to 1. My stop loss will be here somewhere, and my reward will be up to here. You can change your reward according to your quantity. Actually, quantity plays an important role in the reward and risk ratio. So you can change according to your wish, how much quantity you bought according to that, or how much risk you can bear in the market. It's depend totally on you. So I hope you understood all the tools that I have explained till now. Actually, these are the basic and the most important tools that every trader should know. So thank you. Hope you like the video.